How to change your profile picture on Microsoft Teams. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on Microsoft Teams easy and fast. So all what you have to do guys is just go to Microsoft Teams. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture, then click again on your name right here and it will take you to this page. Now on this page you will find many options and click on this edit image option. Click on it and choose if you want to choose your photo from library or camera or view your photo, and you can also remove the photo if you already have one. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.